Hello, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to help you to let you know how to buy a particular stock in a limit order. So once you log into your Zerodha Kite, you can see watch list. I added few, for example, Reliance, Bharti Airtel, and others. So for example, let's see, for the Reliance, I want to buy when the price goes down to 25. Okay, and here you need to select regular, long term, the quantity, price on which you want to purchase. Set instead of selecting market, the current market price for this one is 1531. You can set the limit. I set it for 1525. And then here you can select the validity. It's a day, so at the end of the day the price will not goes down to 1525, it will elapse. You can also select immediate or minutes, and then you just click on buy. Once you buy, you can go to your order section and click on this order, and then you can go to your open order. There you can see I have set few other limit options to buy. Okay, if you see the market is good to buy and you want to change your mindset, you can also edit it. So for example, you can see, okay, I added two. So if you want to edit, like, you are good to buy at the price of 1528, we can update it and then just modify. So you can see now I'm good to buy at the price 1528. The current last trade price is 1531. So it will trigger automatically once the price will reach to this particular point. Also I have set up for the other, like for Bharti Airtel I have set up 2080, and the current price is going on 2085. So like that you can set up, but so there are some advantage and disadvantages. Like, it may happen that the price will go more down and the price will not even reach, so in that cases you may lose trade. Yep, that's how you can place the limit order. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.